Hello everybody and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training, and in this 5-minute tech tip we're going to learn about something called quick parts. And quick parts are awesome. It's really one of my favorite things. You can use this in Word as well as Outlook. So quick parts essentially are going to be saved like text snippets, it could be image snippets, it could be tables, anything that you're using within the program that you want to reuse over and over and over again, it saves it for you. You don't have to copy and paste it from another document, or where is that thing I saved it, whatever it is, or recreate it, or even do like a macro or something like that. This essentially takes the place for that. So let's just say this is content that I use all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and just say insert. And you'll notice over here there's a grouping called text, and I have here it says quick parts. Okay, yours might show it a little bit bigger depending on your screen resolution, and you will see that there's an option here that says save selection to the quick parts gallery. So I want to have this something that I use all the time, and I want to save this to my quick parts gallery. Click on that, and then it comes up with this, whatever name that I might want to call it, totally up to you. Okay, it says where you want to save this. You want to put a description in it. Okay, and you might also want to categorize these. So I'm going to click on this drop down. I'm going to say create new category. I'm going to say, okay, this one is going to be about HR. All right, that's great. You click OK. And then what do you want to do? Do you want to insert the content only? Do you want to insert the content into its own paragraph, into its own page? So they give you so much flexibility on how you want to do that. So let me go ahead and click OK. And you will see it is now saved inside of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do a new document. And now when I'm ready to bring this in, I can say insert, bam, and that comes right in. So just imagine that, something that you use all the time, you always have access to this. It's absolutely unbelievable. All right, so let's just do a different one this time. All right, this is all kind of like overtime stuff, or you can see this is all HR stuff. Here's another one. This one is a visual thing. Okay, so this time I'm going to add this, and I'm going to say save selection to quick part gallery. All right, and I'm going to call this Smart Art. Check out my Smart Art video on how to create something like this. And what I'd like to do is make this a new category. Okay, and I'm just going to call this visuals. Click OK. Click OK again, and you will see there it is, exactly how I copy this, right? This took me so long to create this, I don't want to have to do this again. So you will see I have my HR section, I have my visual section, and I can continue using these over and over and over again and organize and categorize them accordingly, okay? This is text, this is visuals. So if it was a table, okay, if it was an entire page, if it was 100 pages, it's the same thing. I can continue using it over and over again. Okay, now in terms of organizing these things, if you right click on them, you will see that there's this option here to organize and edit, and it takes me directly to that. So if I wanted to edit the properties of it, if I wanted to delete this, I can go ahead and do that very, very easily. Okay, and if you're working in Outlook, it's exactly the same thing. So in Outlook, which is an email program, you may have things that you want to type out over and over again. So you can do it in Outlook, it's just the same. All right, so experiment with that. All right, so that is quick parts. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions or requests for me in the future. Please subscribe to this page and find me on LinkedIn or sftechtraining.com. Thank you.